Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today is a very special day. I'm pleased to tell you that my YouTube channel has just reached 40,000 subscribers. I'm very happy, and I'd like to take a moment to thank all of you who've helped me along this road. Thank you to the loyal people who are subscribed for many years. Thank you to the lively commentators on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram content. Thank you to those who've read my books. Thank you to my dedicated channel members. Thank you especially to everyone who's remembered my son Josh and who's growing a plant for him. And thank you to everyone who's watched my videos, including the necessary ads, and recommended them to friends. It's been a long journey since I started out making the odd gardening video more than 6 years ago, and now it's time to celebrate. And what better way to celebrate than with a special treat? So what did I choose for my special treat? Is it a new ornamental pond and bog garden for moisture-loving primroses and irises? No. Is it a modern and stylish grass garden with block planting in grid formation? No. Is it a dedicated indoor grow space with a green wall for growing beautiful orchids, aroids and other exotic plants? No. Is it a food forest complete with a snail farm section for all those tasty escargot? No, it's not. I chose to gift myself a second greenhouse. It's even larger than my first, and I chose one of the stylish and durable models offered by Organic Garden. Organic Garden is based in Galway, but deliver and install greenhouses countrywide. For the gardener, there's little as exciting as a new greenhouse. In this protected growing environment, ripening tomatoes rub shoulders with desert cactuses, and the air is heavy with the scent of beautiful plants. Seedlings come and go, and the display constantly changes in a show of leafy exuberance. A greenhouse is an investment in your garden. It's an investment in your family's nutrition, and it's an investment in your own mental health. Come with me now as I share with you my greenhouse journey. This is my current greenhouse, and it's served me well. But now it's time to expand. I need more space for sowing seeds and propagating, and, well, we'll see what else comes along. So, what's going on behind my current greenhouse? The fact is that this ungardened portion of my garden is on a steep slope. It's the area where I have space for a new greenhouse, so in order for it to be installed, the ground must first be levelled. The mini digger is hard at work, excavating earth and scooping it up and putting it into a dumpster so it can be taken away. There are a few casualties, however. Last year's lockdown vegetable bed is gone. A patch of my lawn is now muck, and the edge of my cotoneaster has been damaged, but it'll grow back. Now the area for the new greenhouse is ready, and I can tell you, it's a big one. The greenhouse is 4 metres by 8 metres. That's an enormous 9.8 feet by 26.2 feet. My new greenhouse is from organicgarden.ie, a Galway-based company, and I chose this product and this company for a number of reasons. The classic polycarbonate greenhouse offered by Organic Garden is really, really strong. Here, one of the company owners, Micheál, is showing how the metal frames come as one piece. If metal is joined, this gives rise to inherent weakness, but these bearers are made from highly durable galvanized steel and are seamless for added strength. Now work is underway to lay the wooden base to the greenhouse. A lot of time is spent ensuring that the base is exactly level. The base is supported by concrete blocks at intervals which need to be dug in, and then more time is needed to ensure the base is still level. The next step is to sink iron spikes 80 centimetres into the ground to anchor the whole structure. That's 2.6 feet deep. Now finally we get to the point where we can see the domed shape of my wonderful new greenhouse as it comes together. And as these lads get on with the work, I'll just share with you why I chose organicgarden.ie. This is a very durable greenhouse suitable for the Irish climate. It withstands storms and works well in windy coastal locations. I understand the greenhouse was designed and built for use in Russia, so with that in mind, you can imagine how Irish weather should be no object. The greenhouse is made of polycarbonate. Polycarbonate is more durable and much more attractive than the coverings you typically find on polytunnels, but less fragile than glass. The polycarbonate on the Organic Garden Classic greenhouse is 4 millimetres thick and it's covered by a 12-year guarantee. I think a 12-year guarantee really says it all. Organic Garden is based in Galway, but they deliver and assemble their greenhouses nationwide. For me, this is a really positive selling point. I remember when I got my first greenhouse 12 years ago, I had an absolute nightmare to get anyone to put it up for me. Companies just wanted to deliver a flat pack, and I often wonder how many of those flat packed greenhouses never ever got assembled. And for the ones that did get assembled, how many husbands felt bullied into assembling them to the point of divorce? I enlisted the help of a local company to assemble my first greenhouse, and they did a great job, but they had a horrible time with poor instructions and missing pieces. So for me, greenhouse assembly is an enormous consideration, and I just love the fact that Organic Garden offers such a great package. Organic Garden offers a super tough but attractive greenhouse. They include delivery and assembly in their very competitive price. And this is served with efficiency, professionalism and good communication. Check out their website organicgarden.ie and you'll see for yourself. And now it's time to hear from Sean, joint owner of Organic Garden, about why their greenhouses are better.
Yeah, so we've been operating for it'll be 2 years now in September. Things are going great. The lockdown has actually benefited us greatly with it because people are starting to grow their own veg and people want to be more organic. They don't want to be buying stuff with all the chemicals in it and all the food like that. The polycarbonate we have is actually, it comes with a 12-year warranty, manufacturer's warranty. For every square metre of this, it's 780 grams, whereas like the standard polycarbonate that you get in the likes of B&Q or anything like that is only 500 grams per square metre. So it is that bit stronger. It's got a UV filter in it. It has frost protection, and yeah, it's just all around. It's you're getting the benefits of a glass house with having the durability of something like that's got a bit more give in it, like, you know. Just one of the things there was just a lot of people who ask us, do we sell them flat packed? And we don't. We won't sell them flat packed because we can't give a warranty. We can't guarantee that it'll be put up right, and then our name is plastered around that. It's, you know, it's someone, if someone does it wrong. So we can guarantee it when we put it up. Like, we weld these are all welded. Like the flat pack ones that come, they're not welded. You just screw them together, and they're very flimsy. Whereas with our ones, they're not. It's galvanized box iron. It's 25 by 25 mil. It's yeah, the arches are seamless. They like a lot of them, that the flat pack ones, you have to join them in a couple of places and screw them together, and it's not strong enough. The same as that, you know, you saw us there, we were pulling out that you can swing away out of them, like you can hang hanging baskets on it and all that kind of thing.
Again, whoa! Brilliant! So Sean, if somebody wants to buy one of your fantastic greenhouses, how soon could you get it to them?
Delivery time is usually around 4 weeks. It can be under it, it rarely goes above that.
Excellent. And now it's time for Organic Garden to head back to Galway, leaving me with the excitement of my new greenhouse. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you're thinking of a greenhouse for yourself, check out the organicgarden.ie website, link in this video description. Organic Garden provides super tough greenhouses with a 12-year guarantee, and I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.